The problem is it's a public clamor. I've said this analysis, by the way, long ago, no? Even when I was considering other political parties. Yung kay Senator po, yung surveys ang tumulak tumakbo. From the surveys came the business report. Kay Secretary Mark, it was the party and it was the administration. Para buo tayo, malakas na takbo ka. Si Binay, nung una it was the surveys, and then, syempre, kita niyo naman laki ng pera niya, and then yung ambisyon niya pag may presidente, then he has a core group of supporters. Kaya yung ambisyon niya nag-forward. But si Mayor Duterte lang talaga maramdaman mo may Trump. Di ba? I mean, meron ba kayong kandidatong nakita nung sinabi niya hindi tatakbo, umiyak, yung hindi niya kaano-ano? Di ba yung mga cronies, umiyak talaga pagka yung bossing nila ay hindi tumatakbo, di ba? Yung mga hanger-on, yung mga business cronies, yung mga landlord, landlord na suportado ng kanilang politiko. Pero yung hindi mo kaano-ano, di ba? Isipin mo, ilan ang nagpakalbo? Di ba? Para lang i-express sa kanya. Dalawa kong kapalit nagpakalbo. Di ba? Ako hindi ko na ginawa yun, nangyayari naman natin. Pero, very well agreed. Without career. They did it for their own. They're, despite having a comfortable life, they're frustrated with what's happening in our country. They want real change. So, how can you blame Mayor na kinukulit siya? Diba, na tumakbo when people really see in him that he can shake up things. I think it's unrealistic to say na siya ang pag-asa. No? Kasi wala namang isang tao na pag-asa. No? Sa Diyos ang pag-asa. But I'm saying he will symbolize that hope of Filipinos that he can shake up things.